Are you tired of Pipedrive showing the wrong currency for your deals? In 2 minutes, I will show you how to set it right. Here is the plan. First, we will access your personal preferences. Then, we will change the default currency. Finally, we will verify it works on a real deal. So, let us jump right in. Start by opening up your Pipedrive account. Just go ahead and log in if you aren't already. Now, look to the very top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. It is usually a little silhouette or a photo of you. Go ahead and click that. A small menu drops down. From that list, you want to select Personal Preferences. This is where all your account-wide settings live. Once you are in Personal Preferences, you will see a few tabs at the top. Make sure the Account tab is selected. It is usually the very first one on the left, so it should already be highlighted. If it is not, just click it. Now, scroll down just a little bit until you see a field labeled Default Currency. This is the big one. This is the setting that controls what currency Pipedrive automatically uses for every new deal you create from now on. Go ahead and click the drop-down menu right next to that label. A long list of currencies will pop up. Take a moment to scroll through and review the options. You will see everything from major currencies like US dollars and euros to more specific ones like Philippine pesos and Canadian dollars. Find the currency that matches your business. Maybe it is United States dollars, maybe it is euros, or perhaps you need British pounds. Whatever it is, go ahead and select it from that list. Once you click your preferred currency, take a second to verify your selection is showing in the field. It is a small but important check. And here is the really nice part. Pipedrive saves this automatically. You do not need to hunt for a save button. Just wait a moment and let it process. You will often see a small confirmation notice pop up briefly at the bottom of the screen, saying your changes have been saved. Okay, so now that the default is set, let us make sure it really works. If you have an existing deal already open, close it. We want to test this on a fresh one. Go to your Deals section and click the Add Deal button. Fill in a quick deal name, like Test Currency, and pick a stage. Now, look at the Value field. You should see your newly selected currency symbol right there, next to where you enter the amount. No more guessing or manual corrections. Let me walk through a few common examples so you can see exactly how clean this looks. If you selected USD, the field will clearly show a dollar sign. If you picked EUR, you will see the euro symbol. For British pounds, it shows the pound sign. Canadian dollars? It looks just right. And if you chose Philippine pesos, it will show the PHP symbol clearly. The result is simple. From this point forward, every new deal and every new financial value you enter will automatically match your chosen currency. No more confusion. No more manually changing it every single time. And that is it. Once you have done this, you are all set. Your Pipedrive will now match your business needs perfectly, which makes your reporting and your deal tracking so much smoother. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials just like this one. I will catch you in the next video.